Hello and welcome back to another Dashcam video from Adventures with TCS. I'm Tom and today you'll be riding along with me on eastbound M-55 in the great state of Michigan. But to our first time visitors, I would like to say welcome and would recommend to you checking out more of my Dashcam, GoPro, and drone videos from some of my other trips, which does include footage from states like California, Colorado, and Utah to name a few. So in this video, we'll start in Cadillac on US 131. After exiting and turning onto M-55, we'll drive east, passing through Lake City on our way to US 127 in Houghton Lake. Also before you go, if you like watching these kinds of videos as much as I do, I would encourage you to leave a comment, clicking the like button, or becoming a subscriber if you haven't already to help support me make more videos just like this one. After this short trip to Mackinac and Michigan's Upper Peninsula, we'll be heading west to California, so make sure you're subscribed if you want to follow along. But for now, I'm going to finish my turn and start heading east on M-55 in the central part of Michigan's Lower Peninsula. Well, that's it for this video. Thanks so much for watching. In the next video from this trip, we'll start driving north on US 127 and I-75 through Grayling to Gaylord, so make sure you're subscribed so you can join me on that adventure. But for now, thanks again for watching, and until our paths meet again, stay adventurous.